Hi, technical levels for today. Gold dollar yesterday just came down after breaking $12,210 sharply, nearly to $1,195. Now it is trading around $1,198. We can see a sharp decline, breaking previous lows of $1,188. Prices looks weak for a target of 1180 to 160 levels if it sustains below $1,200. And MCX, after a highly range bound with volatile market around 28,400 to 28,600 levels, now its prices is trading slightly below the strong support of 28,300. A break below 28,250, we can see prices testing the next strong support of 28,000 levels. So we are looking bearish in gold, dollar as well as in MCX. Silver, after a mild upside profit booking, it is sharply dropped from 20.1 to 19.6 levels. It is currently trading around 19.50 levels. Prices looks weak below 19.4, again for a target of $19 to $18.8 levels. There it could take some strong support. Next strong breakout can be seen below $18.8 levels. On silver MCX, it's currently trading below the strong support of 44,000 levels. Very strong support seen around 43,700. Prices looks weak below 44,000 and more drop can be seen below 43,700 for a target of 43,300 to 43,000 levels. Move on to base metals. Copper, after a sharp upside, the prices is currently trading around 466 to 470 levels. 470 looks as a very strong resistance or breakout. A move above 470 can be a positive trend. Prices could test up to 475 to 480 levels. Strong support is now seen around 465 levels. So copper looks positive, and currently it could trade in a tight range of 466 to 468 levels. Nickel hold above 870 levels can again take prices till 885 to 895 levels, and we can expect prices testing around 910 to 915, which is a very strong resistance. A short term hold above 865 levels also looks mild positive. More bearishness can come below 850, which is the trend can reverse to 830 levels. Lead, from 137 lead prices went up very sharply till 144 levels. Again for the past 3 to 4 days it is trading highly range bound between 137 to 147 levels with a white band. Now currently it could trade taking a very strong support around 136 levels. So prices can take support around 136 and can see a small bounce till 140 to 141 levels. So overall the price looks positive. This may be a correction with a range bound market. Zinc with the same as it went up to 128 to 135 levels, is currently trading in the tight range of 129 to 131 levels. Prices could take strong support around 129, and a break above 131 prices again could test 134 to 135 levels. Crude looks yesterday it had a correction. The prices trading around 6,150 to 6,250 levels. Prices dropped yesterday as it taken strong resistance around 6,250. Prices today could take strong support around 6,150. If prices not breaks and holds below this, prices again could target 6,200 to 6,250 levels for a short term. Overall, the trend remains positive. It starts from 6,000 to 6,250 to 80 levels, and the trend could continue to 6,350 levels. Natural gas prices trading highly range bound and taking strong resistance around 277 to 278 levels, and the tight range in this commodity is seen around 273 to 278 levels. So a break and hold above 278 levels can take prices till 280 to 85 levels, and strong support is seen around 272. So prices could remain highly range bound around these levels. Rupee, the trading level was seen around 61.5 to 62.2 levels. Prices could rupee could weak further till 62.2. A break above 62.2 can take prices till 62.5 to 62.7 levels. For more updates and levels, kindly visit our website akshayashiv.com. Thank you.